Murder on call with the 5-9. 20 years and it seemed like a lifetime. I've been hanging every day from a lifeline. Why these fuckers tell her dinner every night time?
Yeah, we just crime, bitch, yeah. Cause your next hoe and my ex-hoe like EXO. I don't play like a gunny. Fuck bitches, get money, oh, hey. Cause I'm doing both. They probably thinking I sold my soul. When you come through, yeah, you better go slow. Better go slow. Cause she can get down.